amplifier design in LTspice and Altium for piezo ultrasonic transducers. So I have written the complete abstract for the 230 volt input voltage, VRMS voltage, and the ohm. This is the ohm load, 1 kilohertz frequency to 2 megahertz frequency, and 10% duty cycle as well. So after that, this is the introduction, which I have written the introduction of the complete models. So let me just display you. This is a methodology like 300 volt peak to peak load at 25 ohm load. Frequency level is 1 kilohertz to 2 megahertz. Duty cycle is 10%. And this is a component selection and the PCB design in Altium Designer as well. So after that, these are the results used in this complete section, which is 100 watt operational amplifier development in LTspice, input output voltage levels, as well as the output voltage levels of operational amplifier. So these are the piezo ultrasonic transducer integration and the operational amplifier active filters, and these are the different components used in this our circuit. So like I have divided sub circuit in it, like the finding of saturation voltage. This circuit is development of slew rate, and the output results, simple amplifier and operational amplifier. And the next part is basically the non-inverting operational amplifier. It's the operational circuit, amplifier circuit, summing circuit, subtractor, and everything. Okay, this is a board plot for the operational amplifier. This is circuit for development of the complete filters. Okay, the board plot for the low pass filter and the board plot for high pass filter as well. So okay, this is a band pass level comparator circuit, the second signal source representative. Okay, this is a conclusion and the results. Let me just show you the complete project files. These are the complete project files. Let me just open in front of you. Let me just close this. Yes, this one. You need to run this first and see the input and output results. Okay, input and output voltage. These are the output voltages. Okay, these are the positive V voltage. Okay, which is basically 50 volt. These are the output voltages. Okay, so you just need to run this circuit and see the output results accordingly. Different all the models specs, all the values are included in it. Okay, so these are the output results accordingly. Okay, I think it is okay now. If you want to see its different parameters of current levels, voltage levels, you can see here. Okay, I think it is okay.